Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 tips for staying productive while working from home. With so many of us now working remotely, it can be challenging to stay focused and motivated. But don't worry, I've got you covered with these tips that have helped me stay on track and get things done. Tip number 1. Create a designated workspace. First things first, it's important to create a designated workspace. This could be a spare room, a corner of your living room, or even just a desk in your bedroom. Having a dedicated workspace will help you separate your work life from your personal life and get into the right mindset for work. Tip number 2. Stick to a routine. Try to wake up and go to bed at the same time every day, and schedule your work hours accordingly. This will help you establish a sense of structure and routine, which is essential for staying productive. Tip number 3. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to avoid burnout. Try to take a 10 to 15 minute break every hour or two to stretch, move around, and recharge. This will help you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Tip number 4. Minimize distractions. Distractions can be a major productivity killer, so it's important to minimize them as much as possible. This could mean turning off your phone notifications, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or using noise-canceling headphones to block out background noise. Tip number 5. Use a task management tool. Using a task management tool like Notion can help you stay organized and on track. Create a to-do list for each day and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Tip number 6. Stay hydrated and nourished. Staying hydrated and nourished is essential for staying productive. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and fuel your body with healthy snacks and meals. Tip number 7. Get some fresh air. Getting some fresh air and sunlight can do wonders for your productivity and mental health. Try to take a walk outside during your break or sit by a window to get some natural light. Tip number 8. Stay connected with colleagues. Working from home can be isolating, so it's important to stay connected with your colleagues. Schedule regular virtual meetings or check-ins to stay up to date and connected. Tip number 9. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Try to avoid working outside of your designated work hours and communicate your availability to your colleagues. Tip number 10. Take care of your mental health. It's very important to take care of your mental health. Working from home can be stressful and overwhelming, so make sure to prioritize self-care and seek support if needed. And there you have it, my top 10 tips for staying productive while working from home. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips or strategies for staying productive, be sure to share them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.